Dear students, today I am going to solve the chapter 2C as I have given you the homework also, but here such students who have a problem to solve this particular question, so they will take the help of this exercise 2C, and the question number 1 is here. Write down the reciprocal of 5 by 8. As we know, the reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5, because numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. In question number 2, the question is 7, only 7. 1 is always laying in the place of denominator, so the answer is 1 by 7. This one the denominator of it. Question number 3, like the same, 1 by 12. Here 1 by 12, the reciprocal of this number is only 12, because 1 is laying in the place of denominator, or we write it 12 by 1 and the answer is 12. In question number 4, 12 whole 3 by 5. 12 whole 3 by 5. 12 5 ja 60. 60 plus 3 63. So this one 63 by 5. This mixed fraction will change into improper fraction, and this improper fraction, the reciprocal of this number is 5 by 63. This one the answer of it. Thus question number 1 is completed. Now question number 2. Simplify. The first question is 4 by 7 divided by 9 by 14. As we know, we have 4 by 7 divided by 9 by 14. So 4 by 7 into the product of reciprocal of this given number, here 14 by 9 and 7 2s are, and when 4 into 2 is equal to 8, 8 by 9, this one the answer of it. In question number 3, question number 2 is similar of that. So the question number 3 is here 8 by 9 divided by 16. As we know, 16 by 1, because 1 is laying in the place of denominator. So solution is 8 by 9 into 1 by 16, and 8 2s are, so 1 by 9 2s are 18. So 1 by 18 is the answer of this question. This one the simplification of it. 1 is in whole number. Question number 9 is given as a whole number. 15 whole 3 by 7 divided by 1 whole 23 by 49. Change this mixed fraction will change into improper fraction. 15 7 ja 105 plus 3 108 by 7 divided by 14 1 ja 14 plus 3 50 plus 2 20 70 72. 72 by 49. Now when we solve this one, so product of this reciprocal 49 by 72, 7 7s are, and here 12 6s are and 12 9s are, 3 2s are and 3 3s are, so 7 3s are 21, 21 by 2, and the mixed fraction, this one the improper fraction, and mixed fraction of this 10 whole 1 by 2, and this one the answer of it. Thus we simplify the question number 2. Now question number 3. 3 has said divide. 11 by 24 by 7 by 8. We have this one 11 by 24 divided by 7 by 8. Now when we simplify this one, so it makes the product and multiply the reciprocal of this given number. So 8 by 7, 8 3s are, and 11 by 3 into 7, 21. So 11 by 21 is the answer of this question. Question number 2 is given. One is in mixed fraction, 6 whole 7 by 8 by 11 by 16. This mixed fraction, 6 7 ja 8 6 ja 48 plus 7 55 by 8 divided by 11 by 16. 55 by 8 into 16 by 11. 11 5s are and 8 2s are. So 2 5s are 10. The answer is 10. This one the simplification of the given question. Thus question number 3 is completed. Now in question number 4, a rope of length 13 whole 1 by 2 meter has been divided into 9 pieces of the same length. What is the length of each piece? The question is here, length of rope is equal to 13 whole 1 by 2 meter and divided into 9 pieces the same length, divided into 9 pieces in same length. The measurement of each piece is what? This one the question. So 13 whole 1 by 2 divided by 9. 13 2 ja 26, 1 27, 27 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 9. As we know 1 is laying here. So 9 3s are and 3 by 2. This one the improper fraction. So 1 whole 1 by 2 meter is the answer. Each piece, the measurement of each piece is, hence the measurement of each piece is 1 whole 1 by 2 meter, and this one the answer of it, answer of the question number 4. And the last one, here the question number 5. Question number 5 has said 18 boxes of nail weigh equally and their total weight is 49 whole 1 by 2 kg. How much does each box weigh? So the total weight of the box, (49 whole 1 by 2 kg) and 18 boxes of nails weigh equally. number of boxes is equal to 18. So how much does each box weigh? The weight of each box is equal to what? This one the question, and the simplification is 49 whole 1 by 2 kg divided by 18. As we know, 18 by 1 and 49, 2 ja 98 and 1 99, 99 by 2 divided by, multiplied by 1 by 18. 9 2s are and 9 11s are. So 11 by 4 kg. This one the improper fractions, and this improper fraction will change into mixed fraction. So 4 2 ja 8 plus 3 11. So 2 whole 3 by 4 kg. Hence the weight of each box whole 3 by 4 kg. This one the answer of it. Today I have given only 5 questions. So the solutions of these questions, all 5 questions are. And the next day, how many questions I have given you, the same questions will solve, and it will be uploaded on the YouTube channel. So at first you will try all these questions by yourselves. After that you will see the hints, you will see the simplifications and match your answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.